done. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. I better talk.
Okay, I think we're ready. Hey YouTube, I peep the shirt, influencer. Okay, all right. Let y'all get a little glimpse at it. Sit down for a second. Hey YouTube, I finally did it after a whole year of talking about it. I am launching my YouTube page about skincare. We gonna have some beauty tips. We gonna have some fashion tips. We gonna have everything, okay? We gonna have a little bit of everything, all right? Let me get a little glimpse of the skin. All right, so first I would like to talk about basically what I was just talking about. What you will see on this page is just how to maintain your skincare, because I mean, who doesn't like wearing makeup in a world full of people that wear makeup every single day? You still got to take care of your natural face, and clearly I wear makeup too, but it's very important to make sure that your natural face stays flawless, because once that makeup comes off, I mean, are you gonna still look the same is the question. So I definitely want to just give tips on that, and we gonna have some facial stuff. We gonna have some things such as we gonna have a little bit of everything on this page, and I hope you guys follow, because it's going to be very, very interesting, truthful, just a little bit of everything. A little bit of everything. No, seriously. And right now I'm not wearing any makeup. This is all natural. I just did I've already did my little skincare. I'll say about 6 months ago, I had very bad acne on my face, on my cheeks. Well, this is still clearing up. But one thing that I would like to recommend is dermabrasion. Dermabrasion gets all like the dry skin, have your skin glowing. Now, I went to, and I am going to snip a clip inside of here. I went to Handstone and Spa, I believe, Handstone Spa. In the tag where I went to get it done, and I got it done once, and I thought to myself, I mean, it definitely helped out my skin, I can't lie about that. But then I also thought to myself, I mean, I can do this at home, so why not, and save money on top of that. And you guys can definitely do that by watching my page, because I am going to have high-end beauty tips and I'm going to have drugstore beauty tips. So we're going to have best of both worlds. How about that? Ain't that something? So tune in and watch this link and the review that I have about the dermabrasion. I definitely recommend people to get it. They actually have things in store now that you can purchase that is just like going to the spa. You don't have to spend no $100 on the dermabrasion. You can do it at home. And I'm actually going to show you guys in our next video. But this video, I'm going to show you how they did it at the spa. Next video will be my version of doing it. So stick around, hang on, and welcome to Luxurious Landry's world.